The battle is the Lord's, and we've got to remember, we're not fighting against flesh and blood, but we're fighting against principalities and powers, and we have to remind ourselves of that. I've been in that situation where I said, oh Lord, this one really, and God said to me very, very clearly, and alert the lesson very, very clearly, and He said to me, Helen, know when to step forward, but also know when to step back.
Yes, amen.
And it's listening to that godly wisdom. And do you know what? I can honestly say before my Maker, since I listen to the voice of God and knowing when to zip it, when to unzip it, you can never lose. Like I say, God will always move on your behalf. You can rant, you can rave, you can this, you can that, but it gets you nowhere. It just gets you a bad name and doors just shut in your face. But you show the godly way, do the godly way at all times, as hard as it is, and think, no Lord, I don't understand this season, Father, but I'm trusting you in it. And you'll get through it. You can get through everything with the Lord. Yeah, we might have to go around sometimes because we make it hard for ourselves, because you can get so far and think, yeah Lord, I'm going for this and I'm really trusting you in it, and then we can fall at that hurdle. That's if we've not listened, we have to go all the way back. And then when we say yes Lord to the Lord, and we get over that hurdle, the next hurdle will pull us over that, and the next hurdle, and the battle does truly belong to the Lord. We can never ever fail and never ever lose.
Yeah, and God is in control, isn't He?
That's right, He's in full control. If you let go, He's the guy. Put your fighting irons down now, Lord. I'm not doing it myself. I'm not letting my flesh rise up. I'm letting your spirit arise in me, mighty God, and letting you take the reign, Lord. That's what I've had to do. Lay it at your feet, Father.
Yes, absolutely.
And have I felt like picking it back up? I have, and I've picked it back up, but I've had to do it. And the more you do it, the more you see the foolishness of yourself. Because your flesh gets you nowhere, but the Spirit of God can move